to stop by on the day to let somebody know that we serve a God on this morning, that no matter what life brings us in this life, that you've got to understand it's worth it all. Is there anybody that believes it's worth it all? And the reason that it's worth it all is because the Savior lives. And if the Savior lives, then he holds my future. Is there anybody that knows that Jesus lives? I said the Savior really does live, and it's worth it. Why? Because he lives. It's worth it because eyes have not seen. It's worth it because ears have not heard. It's worth it because he'll go with you all the way. Is there anybody that knows that he'll walk with me? He'll talk with me, and he'll tell me that I am his own. And because Jesus knew it was worth it all, he graduated to the next level. And I just wish I had about 3 folk that are ready to graduate to your next level. I said it's worth it all. It's worth it all. It's worth it all. Say yes. Say yes.